Okay, teachers, let's get you rolling with Zuni so that we can save you time. There's no need for you to spend hundreds of hours searching the internet. We've already done a great deal of it for you, especially for our KA teachers. Our high school, we're still working on that content, but Zuni is a great content management tool for you. You'll see lots of ways if you just go ahead and sign up, and you'll get videos that'll show you how you can really use Zuni in a multitude of ways, and it integrates really well with other tools you're currently using as well. So here's the free trial button, and no chat. This is what's very important. If you run into any questions, have any problems, looking for something, just chat with us down here, because calling us, we just don't have the capacity. We're, like I said, just a young ed tech company, and so chatting is definitely best way to reach us. Then you can just go ahead and let's get started. Click on the free trial. If you are a private or charter school or homeschool, so this where it says if you're not with a specific school, click here. So you're going to click here. If you're with a public school, you're probably going to find your information over here. So I can just click my state, click my district, and then click my school. Oops, I didn't click my district. So if I come all the way down to Zuni Demo District, and then I'm going to be able to find my Zuni Demo School, and then I'm just going to click Go. So once you're here, you're ready to go. If you have any troubles, again, it should be easy. Just click on that. I'm not with the school if you can't find what you're looking for in the district information. And then I'm going to go ahead and type first name, last name, and then my email address. The email address is very important because, let me just type that in there. I can't type and talk at the same time. Because if you misspell anything in the email address, you will not receive your verification email. So your verification email, lets us know that you're not a robot, and then lets know that you're a person, and you're going to actually get that email, click the verification, and then you can log in. So triple check, double check, quadruple check, and make sure that you spelled everything okay. Sometimes I just transpose when I'm typing, so it can be something simple like that. Teachers, you're going to use your license here. Families, parents can do their license over here. And then you're just going to go ahead and click your password. Is going to be whatever. Just keep it simple, something you use for something else. No need to make it something unique just to Zuni. You can use whatever password you use for everything else. You can select one grade or multiple grades at a time. So I'm just going to go ahead and select 2 grades by holding the control key down if you happen to be on a computer where you have a keyboard. If not, just select a grade, and you can do it easily once you get in. Add more grades once you get in. We make working with multiple grades super easy. Once I click register, you can check our terms and service privacy. We're strong. We're hosted on Amazon, so we're definitely secure and easy to go. So nothing went anywhere, right? Perfect, typical mistake. I didn't check teacher license. So it's always an operator error. Now when I click register, it's going to go and give me a verification code. So it just needs to know what kind of person I am logging in, teacher or parent. So you see you have a message, and then you're going to go to your email. So here's your verify account. And you just click the verify account button in your email. If you don't get it, it's generally because there might have been a typo in the username and password, and that's where you can just chat with us. We'll double check for you. We'll look you up and see what it is, and we can make the change for you, and then you can get your verification. So that's the number one thing that happens if a user doesn't get a verification email is from that. So when you log in, you're going to have set widgets. I'm seeing a few different ones because my demo district has a few different ones, but you're going to see Wonderopolis. You're going to have the calendar, the weather widget. You'll have a Zuni newsletter, Be Inspired videos, joke and quote of the day. You won't have your news. I actually have personally into ours, and this is the way I keep up with the news is through here. So I'll show you in videos. You'll get videos of how to add widgets like this, so you too can actually, your dashboard can become like your center location of all the things you want to keep up with. So it's not just about content to share with students, it's about being one place for you to keep up with all the cool things you want to keep up with educationally or personally as well. So notice I have grade 3. I can just simply click set my grades, and then I can add additional grades in here super easy. So I just can come say, hey, I want to see grade 4 as well. And I want to see maybe grade 5, and I can click save, and now I can see content for all of that. So it's super easy to be able to set grades. You can also do that from your profile. You can add your profile picture right here, super easy. You'll just click profile, and you'll be in here. Add your picture. Just play around for a little while. You can't hurt anything. So just go ahead and enjoy everything that's in here. You won't see Add My Children. You will have classes and assignments. So teachers, if you're going to add classes and assignments, you'll come in through here. And it's really easy. You'll add a class. If this is rolling out to families and your families are signing up on their own, you'll actually be able to find kids. So if I wanted to say, this is our COVID 19 assignments or resources, I can create that really quick. Just simply save it. You'll have videos on how to do all this. I'm just kind of just giving you like, oh, see how easy it is. And then do you want to add some students? You can say yes. Remember how I said if your parents are just signing up naturally, you can just search users by looking for the kids because they're going to be connected with your grade, with your school and your district, so you'll be able to find them. You can send them a code, give them a code, tell them to go to ZuniLearningTree.com, use this code, and they'll be connected with you. You can import them. If your district chooses to have an enterprise solution, we actually can do all that importing for you, create your classes, all that stuff is just already there. And you can always go and manually add a user. You have full control over changing students' usernames and passwords, so it's really cool for you to be able to have this resource for everything. You'll just go ahead and start looking for content. You always click back on my dashboard, and you'll be able to just go and explore and find your content. And again, you're going to get videos on all of this. I'm just kind of doing a really quick overview for you to kind of give you an idea of what you're looking for. So when you come in, so see all this different content that you have adjective, capitalized, all different kind of things. You have math, a little bit of computer science. Like I mentioned, we're always adding new content. You'll just find just all kinds of contents for many, many different topics. And so hopefully this will save you from spending hours searching the internet. So if I wanted to go in and say, hey, I wanted to find something for April Fool's Day, and I wanted to save it, the way you can take look at these resources we have in here and then add them into things that you might want to add them is you just save them to your garden. So Pinterest pins it. You're going to plant it. Just click on the seedling. You can create a folder, a category and everything, and then you can just pop it right over into your garden. Super easy. Zuni's meant to just make it easy for you to manage your content in all different ways. So I can add my new folder, call this, April Goodies, and send it over. Then you can share that with colleagues. So if your colleagues are in here as well, you can collaborate, parents, students, and it just makes it super easy. So go ahead, get yourself signed up, and we look forward to visiting with you.